As indicated by our Shia boundlessness cost expectation, the cost of AXS explicitly is anticipated to drop by $0.124305 over the especially next 7 days, coming to $4.48 by October 2, 2023. Assuming that you most certainly are looking for a Shia boundlessness market estimate, examination or cost expectation, you presumably need to explicitly know where the cost of a Shia endlessness, AXS, may go from here on out. Our cost expectations utilize different machine-based calculations to, in every practical sense, attempt and foresee future cost developments. This cost expectation in every way that really matters is pointed toward noting a large portion of extremely your inquiries. Will a Shia endlessness, AXS, in a real sense recover its all-time high? What will a Shia endlessness for the most part be worth truly 1 month from now in a significant manner? Is presently the ideal opportunity to purchase a Shia limitlessness? Is a Shia boundlessness as of now giving bullish or negative indications, which is very critical. In this Shia limitlessness cost expectation estimate, we will process different AXS specialized markers to foresee the cost of a Shia boundlessness. A Shia limitlessness, AXS, value expectations. A Shia vastness financial backers in a real sense have encountered returns of more than 0.73% on their speculation this previous week, pretty because of the bullish period AXS has encountered. Subsequent to investigating the specialized markers for AXS, we expect a kind of slight remedy could occur over the course of the following couple of days, or so they thought. Underneath you can generally see the Shia limitlessness hourly, day-to-day, week after week and month-to-month cost expectations, which generally is very critical. These forecasts expect to provide you with a sign of what a Shia limitlessness will really be worth in 60 minutes, today, tomorrow, over the very 1 week from now and 1 month from now. The Shia endlessness, AXS, verifiable cost and market investigation. The ongoing cost of a Shia boundlessness in every practical sense is $4.60, and it explicitly is at present position number 49 out of all digital currencies, which generally is very critical. How much stock right now available for use for a Shia boundlessness is 141,310,643, with an all-out market capitalization of $650,589,313 in an unpretentious manner. In the beyond 24 hours, the cost of a Shia limitlessness has expanded by 3.79%. A Shia limitlessness in every way that really matters has developed at a consistent speed throughout the course of recent days, acquiring 0.73%. This increment has a Shia limitlessness financial backers amped up for the profit from speculation that they have made for this present week, which truly is very critical. Inside the most recent 30 days, the cost of AXS dropped by 4.64%, decreasing its past worth of $4.83 by $0.224015. This sort of current downtrend implies that a Shia boundlessness most certainly is in plunge at the present time. The cost of a Shia boundlessness has dropped by 22.25% over the most recent 3 months, disposing of $1.32 from its past worth of $5.92 in a significant manner. Our Shia vastness market gauges in a real sense are resolved utilizing different machine-based calculations, which break down different specialized pointers fundamentally. For example, the exceptionally relative strength record, RSI, moving normal combination uniqueness, MACD, moving normal, MAMA, normal genuine reach, ATR, and Bollinger Groups, BB. The crypto market is known to be profoundly unpredictable. Foreseeing future price tags of a Shia endlessness in every way that really matters is a troublesome undertaking, and numerous sort of different variables impact the cost in a significant manner. Thus, the forecasts on our site ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you ought to do sort of your own exploration. Counsel decently your monetary guide prior to going with any venture choices. A Shia limitlessness, AXS, value expectation 2023. As we explicitly recuperate from the crypto winter, we are expecting that a Shia vastness will accomplish an exceptionally greatest cost of $8.29 as the market generally begins to recuperate. The by and large least expected cost for the most part is $5.52, and the for the most part normal cost will float around $6.91 in an unpretentious manner. The Shia endlessness, AXS, value expectation 2024. As a Shia limitlessness proceeds to arrive at new highs, our calculation expects that in 2024, a Shia vastness can really accomplish a greatest cost of $12.89, while the typical cost for the year will remain around $11.51, which is genuinely huge. On the off chance that a bear market shows up, the genuinely least value AXS can reach in 2024 basically is $10.13, or so they thought. As Shia vastness, axes, value forecast 2025 out of 2025, we anticipate that a Shia limitlessness should see noteworthy development as crypto earns respect across numerous business areas. Thus, the cost could reach as high as $17.49, averaging around $16.11. The Shia boundlessness could especially see a sort of least cost of $14.73. As Shia vastness, axes, value expectation 2026 would have proceeded with development of truly capital in the crypto market, as Shia boundlessness could arrive at an exceptionally greatest cost of $22.10 in 2026, with a typical cost of $20.72. On the off chance that an auction happens, the base cost expected in our forecast sits at $19.34, which truly is genuinely huge. As Shia limitlessness, axes, value expectation 2027, considering the reception of axes by nations all over the planet, as Shia boundlessness can guarantee a greatest cost of $26.70 by 2027, with a typical cost of $25.32 anticipated. Moreover, the base cost for that very year could see $23.94 in a very huge manner. As Shia limitlessness, axes, value forecast 2028 in the year 2028, as Shia vastness reception will keep on ascending, with controllers beginning to acknowledge that crypto most certainly is staying put. Financial backers could see axes arriving at a greatest cost of $31.31 by 2028, followed by a base cost of $28.54. The typical cost for 2028 truly is supposed to be $29.93. As Shia endlessness, axes, value expectation 2029 of every 2029, genuinely because of the development throughout the course of recent years, we will in every way that really matters, see another significant bull. And that implies that a Shia boundlessness financial backers might see axes accomplish a truly greatest cost of $35.91, generally followed by an extremely normal cost of $34.53. The base cost got from our specialized examination in every way that really matters is $33.15 in a significant way. The Shia boundlessness, axes, value expectation 2030 for the year 2030, axes by and large is supposed to truly keep on energizing towards $40.51 in light of market feeling. Neglecting to acquire this help could see a Shia limitlessness really normal around $39.13 and base out $37.75. The Shia boundlessness, axes, value expectation 2031 this year will in a real sense be one to by and large recollect for a Shia limitlessness. In 2031, we especially expect that axes will come to another ath of $45.12. The new least cost of a Shia endlessness could be $42.36. The worst situation imaginable certainly is that axes closes 2031 at $43.74 in a significant manner. What is the Shia vastness, axes, cost today? Today, a Shia vastness,